Good day, welcome to Multinet Design and the continuation of our hosted design that we are working on. In this tutorial, we conclude the roofing aspect, especially when we put the ceiling system. So on these three wings, we want to put it. So let's just copy one of the ceiling, then we use it to complete the whole thing. So go to elevation. So you wait for it to load based on the data of the system that is more complex. So now when it's loaded, so what you just need to do is just copy one of them, then you save, copy from here, then you fix it here. So it's gonna be here. Okay, just only one, then we'll repeat the remaining and align it to the position where it's supposed to be. So I will say edit the boundary, then we'll go to level site level. Let me do it on the site level. I'm going to see the whole thing comprehensively. So here I will just like delete this. There's an existing one. The existing sketch mode is going to maintain the property perfectly. So I'm going to do it like this. Okay, so what I do next is I change so that I will have no any intersection or not closing it. So I will move here. Let's say 100 without copy now. So 100 set graph for it. So here I'm going to click here. I will say define slope. So define slope I'm going to do here depends on the slope aspect of the roof that I have. So I'm going to click finish here. So I will go to west elevation and south elevation. So I will click here. I will say what is the sloping all about. So I have 7 as a slope here, but that 7 is too high for me, so I'm going to reduce this one to 3 because it's an high end building. So I'm going to increase it to 3 while I edit this one and this one again. I'll put it in here. So sorry, I think I'm choosing the wrong thing here. So I will choose this ceiling and I will see edit the boundary. Edit the boundary now. I have to say this one is 4 point something, so I'm going to use 3 to fix that. So I will click finish. So I will check the 3 and the 3. I think they have it in a common now. So go back to the start elevation and check the area the circle is fine. So it definitely fixed what I needed to be fixed here. So the next thing I need to do is to copy this and copy it around to, or just let me see sites. So since I've selected that, so what I just need to do is to make sure I transfer. So I'm going to do it this way by selecting this. So what will I do? I'm going to mirror or just change this to 60 degrees at this level. So what we do is that you just click edit. So at the editing, you just align. So there's different method of doing things in Revit. Just do the one that suited you. So this is just the aspect which I like most to be doing things. So that's why I'm doing it this way. So I have it like this now. What I do next is that I'm going to offset what I've done before. So 100, 100, 100, and 100. So I'm going to change the slope here to this particular side. So here it's not going to have a slope, but this one is going to have a defined slope of its own. I'm going to change it to 3, which is 3 already. So you just click OK. I think this one is done for it. So when you look at it from the south elevation, look on south and see what is done. So the south here now says that there is what is needed here. So you just need to click here and change the slope here. So click on this and change it 0 to 3. So it updates you. So when it updates you, what you just need here is to align. Just click on the align below part, then fix this one up. Good. So that aspect is done. So you do the same thing here. Oh, I've done wrong because I didn't copy. When I rotate, I didn't copy, but don't worry. So let's fix this one. So this one too, you do it here, edit this and put this in 3. So what you do here is that you click on this man and you say go to start um, site plan, the mirror hits from here. So you mirror with, let me see, if start elevation, the mirror is supposed to have mirror with copy, supposed to be here. So it's mirror with copy, which is what we want. So the next thing we do is that we align this to let it flow with the, so we just click here and say attach. So that attached to that position. So what we are missing here is this. So we are going back here, and then we say rotate, then rotate with copy. So that is what we did wrong in that particular tutorial. So what we do here is that we copy this one from this position. I will just like move this. So I will just change it to 120 degree will be the resolution. So 120 degree. So put it here. So that is the solution for that. So you can now copy this and put it here. So here now you do the boundary and let it fix with what it's happening here. I don't think I need any other things to do. So just offset it to 100 without copy. So to maintain the slope. So go to start elevation and go and finish up what you are working on. So here you just need to do what, align it. So from the align side, what you need here is click here and align it here. So that is it. So we have this in place, we have everything in order. So the next thing we need to do is that we can just click on this one. It work with what we have, just say attach to this, so it will fix. So I saw that every other area that those things are before, you can just attack them to, so that they will be able to stay where they need to stay. So that is it for that on the elevation. So we'll continue later on when we put or when we build everything individually and get it done. So you can check us on 3D and see how far the whole thing looks like. So when you look at it from 3D, whether they have the comprehensive patch to which you want them to flow. So I think most of them have, until some of them did not have. So like this south one now, so we have an issue with this. So I think we should click on that and fix it. So if you can just like setting this one, have an issue here now. So what we do here is that I will go to click here. I will say east or west. Let me just use any side, east or west will do for me. So I will just like align from this part. Good. So I think this one has already fixed. So individually we are going to fix all these ones one after the other, so that there will not be any loopholes concerning this. But for now, this is where we're going to do. So what I need to do now is to go and checkmate what I've done, because I said before that from one of those design in the middle, it says this like level 6 is going to be for a staff level. So let's quickly do that fast before we proceed to the next. So here we're going to have some bedroom here, like a not corner here again, but I'm going to have it like a room and a parlor, so that for the staff purpose. So this one is unexpected, and sometimes so that the staff will be living among it, so that we might be able to monitor what is going on. So like this, I'll focus on these two particular one. So I'm going to use it to design the next thing. So I'm deleting this door now, so everyone should follow as I'm doing it. So from there, I'm not going to delete because so this is the part in which build and every other thing will follow. So it's a statement to the building and the construction itself. So what I do here is that this is just dimension and see what happens. So this is 2/8. Okay. So the entrance to this part will be here. So what would you need? What do you need here? You just only need the kitchen and the bath. So how do we achieve that for the comprehensive purpose of what we are doing? So we decide to bring this inside. Then we bring this one here. Then take this one here. Okay. So check whether they are parallel. So the dimension will tell you whether if the dimension is being taken, yes, that is the parallel line, which is okay. So how do you fit this down that you have a toilet in place and a kitchen in place? One going to go for room, another one going to go for. So this one, we are not going to close it, just open it this way like this. So now we close this one off. Let this one be closed. Then align if possible. But the only thing is that whenever you come in like this, so you have the comprehensive aspect that this is going to be for bathroom and toilet. No, sorry, this is going to be for bathroom and toilet. This is going to definitely lead to your room. So when you have bathroom and toilet like this, so you drag this one down. Good. So this one is going to lead to room. While you enter generally from the passage, you enter into the room straight up. Then from there you can like having a visitor toilet, bathroom and toilet at this point. So that is just a simple idea that I want to introduce into this particular design. So from there I can like move it around. So this one I'm going to change it to something like floor. It's not going to be for the general toilet again because all most of these have their own defending. So now let's say I align this one, align this one, align this one, then align this one. I'm going to put them at label now. But before then, let me quickly bring the template so that you can fix up. You know that okay, this aspect is settled. So I'm going to go to, let's say, bedroom. Do I have any bedroom here? So I think let me just bring the king size bed. So king size bed will be here. And just fix it as it to before. I use queen. Queen size bed will be the better one. Yes, queen size bed. I think yeah. Okay. I think this one is okay. So you can just place it here. This should be done. Then the next is just get a couch. So like if there is anyone, just get one and put it. So if there is none, let's just do this lounge. So we put it here like this. So this one will fix it up for us. So we need to rotate it like saying 30 degree. 60 degrees, sorry. What happened to you? I said to do the needful. Okay. So let's see whether it will align because it's just the magical issue with the line pattern. So I think it's able to rotate. So we just fix that one. Then we mirror it. Yes, just mirror. Just mirror like that. So we move it up. The same thing you do it here too. So because there are two sides here, what we just need to do is just to have an annotation for the table so that you express that. Just click on that and just draw the table. So from here now you have what you need to have here. Okay. So you do the needful and it was done. Now we have this. Sorry, I have put it in the wrong position, so I'm going to pick that and change it. So I'm going to put it here and then this edge back here. So this is what I have here. So I'm going to change this bathroom door to just say duplicate. Yes, you have to duplicate it and then raise this one to 750. So just say okay. So it will be reduced. So what else you need to do is to bring the components. So the component what you select, you still go ahead and select something like toilet cubicle or whatever that is needed. So you can just put them there. So I'm not just need only this WCC in this place. So I'm not going to even use sponsor basis. So those ones will be done with anyone who want to practice to the detail. But if you want me to do it for you, let me just give you, because of those people that are going to get this template and the whole template file at the end of this tutorial. So let's say component, I'm still going to bring it like this. So I will go back and just like select this for basic. So yeah, so I'm gonna fix that one for me. So you mean the toilet, which I mean the kitchen for that purpose. So I'm going to reduce the size of this room so that I'll be able to accommodate a little bit of the kitchen. Okay, so the kitchen is just going to take a annotate. I'm not going to bring template for that. So annotate, sorry. So line, what is the issue with it? Escape. Okay, just say cancel. Annotate. I'm just going to do this. Good. So the kitchen is there and everything. So from here now we can keep this one, select all and change just like 2 or 3 flats. So I'm going to change this one now since I have this one in place. So what I need to do is the comprehension interior aspects. So I copy this one as well. Press Ctrl on your keyboard, copy everything. So you've copied whatever that is needed to be copied here. So what you just need to say, copy to the clip to the face, then you bring from this part or you select from this edge. So you look for the edge of the next available one, then you place it. So if you can go on and on, you place here too, so you know what to delete and what not to delete at the end of everything. So I think with that we have done a useful information to this particular design. So you delete this one, understand? So you fix this up.